Buti, dumaplis lang yung sipit niya. Wala akong gulok na dala nun. Kaya nung bumalik ako, tago siya. Hindi ko malaman kung saan nagpunta.
Nagluluwas din sila ng mga sasakyan dagat at iba pang produkto tulad ng binanggit natin mga prutas at saka yung bigas, etc. Gaya ng banga at palayo. Na recall ko kung ganong kasaya basahan, to be told a story. So I tried to do a good job today. My session, they were very receptive because I was very honest. Sabi ko, pag nagkamali ako, sabihin nyo sa akin, at saka pag may word akong hindi alam, lahat tayo matututo. Ituro nyo naman sa akin. And so there were some words na natutunan ko, and they were very sweet. The group was very sweet. Nawala pagod ko. We need to be courageous as women kasi bilang babae, parang we are the foundation of a family, no? And yung mga tulad ng mga lessons na natutunan ko are a lot from my women inspirations like my mom and my sisters. So I think just continue to be good examples kasi tulad ng pagdidisiplina sa mga bata, it's not what you tell them that's important, it's what you show them.